This is what's left of my SanDisk USB 3 32GB sort of thumb drive, USB drive. I've been printing out this to talk about this later. This is like the cover, and you see it's been broken off. This had a loop on it which got broke off straight away almost. So what I did there, I drilled a hole in which I can pour keyring through, and this is a 3D print I've made, and it works okay. It's a little bit stiff, but then you don't want it to, see it locks in there, that's meant to lock in when it's pushed out. It's a little bit stiff when you're pushing it forward, but you don't want it too free because then it will slide backwards and forwards when it's in your pocket. It's a little bit loose, that actually. But anyway, I can push that down, it clicks in position there, and I can plug it in the computer and read whatever files on. Then I have to press this, well, I'm going to call it a button here, pull it back up, and then it's covered and protected reasonably well. As I say, it's a little bit loose there, but I don't know if I can really tighten it much more without having it too stiff. This is still starting to wear in. So that's my 3D print for this SanDisk USB 3 32GB. Now this does work when it's pushed forward. I've tried it in my computer USB 3. Usually tell by blue, should not be, you know, anybody could fiddle that really. So there's a look round. See, that won't come back unless I press that button. Sometimes it's a little bit, this has just been printed, so it needs a little bit of wearing in, I think, but that's okay. That protects the USB drive when it's in the pocket. But see how I had to drill a hole in here because the loop thing, I think there was a loop on this part that's almost totally broken into bits. This was the original one. See how bad it is. All that end's broken off. I think there was a loop in there that broke off, very thin plastic, but then the rest is broken when it's been in and out my pocket a few times. I do have a 4 gig cruiser, is it? USB drive as well, which again the loop broke and I had to stick some, you know, plastic off packing super glued on there, and that's been on there a long time, like round in a loop. So that was a bit of hacking there. That works again alright, so I'll just finish off there. I'll just show you around again. It's hard to get this in the camera, to be honest, because everything's upside down and back to front in the display. Good solid keyring fit. Took a bit to get this on the keyring because I had to widen it up a bit, but better off being stronger than weaker. So if that's going out of focus there. Right, good print. Took a few iterations to get just right, the notches on it. It would be possible to get this totally out, I think, if you press really hard and pulled it past. There's like pawls inside, 2 lots of pawls, one for the when it's down forward and one to stop it coming all the way out when you pull it back. So that's a bit lower down, this pawl here.